Hey guys, my name is Shashwat and I'm a legal intern at LEXIS and Company. In this video, I'm going to talk about the governance and the judiciary. So, while framing the constitution, the members of the Constituent Assembly knew that the judiciary is an extension of rights and courts should be emphasized as the rights force. The judiciary looked like the arm of the social revolution during the colonial period. The judiciary looked like the arm of the social revolution during the colonial period, upholding the nationality and integrity of the Indians. The Indians were not able to gain it during the colonial period as the Britishers were afraid that social change would impact their rule. However, under the constitution, all this was changed. Progressively, the judicial administration has been able to meet the desire and needs of the changing time and society of modern India. Governance is, in layman language, means how the government should function. It means the process of decision making and the procedure by which the decision is implemented. It is often realized that the quality of the government depends upon the state. Over time, with changing government, the definition of the governance has also been adapted. In the contemporary world, the majority of the states are founded on the principle of welfare of state. It is a concept of government where the states ensure full participation of their respective citizens to achieve the common goals to attain optimum growth and development of the individual, thereby preserving the social interests. This evolution has led to good governance, which is an umbrella concept to the political and social cultural issues. The meaning of democratic government comes as democracy is vibrant and considered as one of the best forms of the good governance, as it signifies government of by and for the people. It has evolved considering the change in the society and minds of the people for attaining dignity and rights to participate in the decision-making process. It involves equal accountability of all before the law, irrespective of their status, religion, caste, sex, language, or race. India is a democratic country and it follows the definition of a government by the people, of the people, and for the people. The democratic features of the constitution was cautiously drafted by the Constituent Assembly to constitute India into a sovereign, social, secular and republic. Bill of Rights provide equality under the law. Personal liability and an independent judiciary was to become the base of the new society by replacing traditional hierarchy and its repression. Hence, parliamentary democracy was chosen as a form of government in which the state power is divided into three main pillars, namely legislature, executive and judiciary. The role of judiciary in promoting good governance is to ensure that the premises of the independent nation would not remain merely on paper. The constitution frameworks made provision for the independence of the judiciary. Indian judiciary is the custodian and the guardian of the constitution. It should be above reproach, free from the coercion and political influence. The function of the judiciary is paramount as it is not only for watching as a watchdog against the violation of fundamental rights, but it also looks after any discrimination provided by the state, abuse of the state power and arbitrariness, etc. Under this, there comes the judicial reviews and governance. The members of Constituent Assembly believe that judicial review to be an essential power of the courts. Judicial review of legislative and executive action is one of the most important developments in the field of public law. In case of Kumar versus Union of India, the court held that the power of judicial review over legislative action is envisaged in the Supreme Court under Article 32 and in the High Court under Article 226 as an integral part of its basic structure. I will conclude by saying that the judiciary has played a quintessential role in developing the right jurisprudence by expanding the libertarian and democratic values through judicial pronouncements. The influence of the court is not limited to resolving the final dispute, but also to frontline guard to constitutional value and fundamental principle of good governance.